2015 Accord with a 2.4 liter. I'm doing the drive belt. This guy right here. It's with the Earth Dreams engine, the 2.4 liter. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to it. So first thing what I do is I come look at the belt and I draw a diagram. So when I go to put it back on, I know where everything goes. That's for this one. This tensioner is right here. You're gonna move this tensioner to get the belt loose. It's a 17 millimeter. The longer the wrench you have, the better. If you have like a ratchet and a socket, it'll be a little tight. So if you have like a wrench similar to this, it's good, or a dry belt tool is even better. I'm gonna go ahead and get this on here, and then I'm gonna slowly pull it towards the front of the vehicle, and then that'll release the tension on the belt. So I'm doing this, and then so you can see the belt, it becomes loose like that. And then when it's loose like that, just pull it off. Any pulley you can, just get it off pulleys. And then once you get it off at least one of them, you could release the tensioner and get it off. But get it off as many as you can with the tension released. Be careful not to pinch your fingers if you let go of the tensioner or your wrench slips. Okay, so once I got it off a couple pulleys, I'm gonna remove my wrench and just start working this guy out. The smaller the hands, the better. You can reach under here too to kind of get it off. Now, I kind of cheated, guys. You can do this probably from the top only, like if you're in your driveway. If you're a better man than me, you could probably do this belt without removing the wheel or nothing. But I had to remove the wheel to get it back on. Here's my new belt. There's my part number. Match it up. We're gonna match it up, take it out, make sure the length is the same, stretch them, make sure they're exactly the same. Here's some extra information on my belt. I will link in the description, in the comments, a new belt on Amazon, so you can check that out to get your belt. And yeah, there's some extra part numbers. Now you can slide this down and then just start working it on. Like I said before, a person can probably do this in the driveway, but if you have the option, you could remove the wheel or just remove this panel here. There's just a clip here and there's a clip right here. All I had to do is remove this clip, and then this could pull down and kind of move to give me enough access to put it under the bottom pulleys, the AC and the crank pulley. You could probably also go underneath your car. You know, just be creative, find a way to get to it. So what I did is I came under here and I put this under the bottom pulleys like that on the AC, and then kind of on the water pump. What I discovered is leaving it not on the water pump was my method. I put the water pump on last when I had the tension off. So most people will try to like leave tension right here and then get on that tensioner and then try to hook it on this tensioner pulley. But I think having the water pump the last thing to put on was the easiest way. But what you do is you get the belt mostly set in place, and then you do the release the tension, and then you just got to get it on any way you can. Like I said, it worked best for me when I had the water pump off and it was like just kind of hovering in front of the water pump, and then when I had the tensioner pulled back, I was able to slide it over the water pump because the water pump pulley doesn't have like lips on it. It's just like a smooth surface, so it was able to slide. Alright guys, make sure it's perfect, and then what you want to do is start your car, make sure it's all good, and that's it. Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.